Meaning of film noir.
Film noir.
Film noir.
Film noir.
Film noir. Film noir is a genre of crime movies that originated in the United States during the 1940s and 1950s. It is characterized by a dark, moody atmosphere, cynical anti-heroes, and intricate plots involving crime and violence. The lighting and camera angles used in these films often create dramatic shadows and emphasize the bleakness of the storylines. The term film noir literally means black film, which refers to both the black and white cinematography commonly used in these films and the morally ambiguous and dark themes they explore.